Are you walking into the gym and skipping leg day because you don't know what to do, or because it feels too hard or confusing? Many people avoid training their lower body, even though it is one of the most important parts of a complete workout program. Leg day is often seen as exhausting or intimidating, but avoiding it can slow overall progress and create imbalances in the body. In today's video, we're going to talk about a complete lower body workout program and explain how to properly train your legs in a structured, effective, and safe way. This video will help you understand how to train the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves so you can build strength, muscle, and confidence instead of avoiding leg day altogether. The lower body includes some of the largest and strongest muscles in the body. These muscles play a major role in daily movement, balance, posture, and athletic performance. Every time you walk, run, jump, or lift something from the ground, your lower body is working. Training the lower body correctly helps improve overall strength, stability, and coordination. A strong lower body also supports upper body training and reduces the risk of injury in the knees, hips, and lower back by improving joint stability and movement control. A good lower body workout program focuses on balance between different muscle groups rather than only training one area. The quadriceps are located at the front of the thighs and are responsible for knee extension and movements such as squatting, standing up, and climbing stairs. The hamstrings are located at the back of the thighs and are responsible for hip extension and knee flexion, playing a major role in running and lifting movements. The glutes are powerful muscles that support hip movement, posture, and overall lower body strength, and they are essential for explosive power and stability. The calves help with ankle stability, walking, running, and explosive movements like jumping. Training all of these muscles together creates a strong, functional, and balanced lower body. Before starting any lower body workout, warming up is essential. A proper warm-up prepares the muscles, joints, and nervous system for the workout ahead. It increases blood flow, improves mobility, and reduces the risk of strains or injuries. Simple warm-up movements such as light cardio, bodyweight squats, hip circles, leg swings, and glute activation exercises help prepare the lower body for training. Taking time to warm up also improves performance during the main workout by allowing the muscles to contract more efficiently and move through a better range of motion. Squat movements are a foundation of lower body training. Squats target the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while also engaging the core and lower back. Squats help build overall leg strength and improve functional movement that carries over into daily life. Variations such as barbell squats, goblet squats, or machine-based leg presses can all be effective depending on experience level, mobility, and comfort. Proper squat technique is important to ensure the muscles are working correctly and to protect the knees and lower back from unnecessary stress. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Hip hinge movements are another key part of a lower body workout. Exercises such as Romanian deadlifts focus on the hamstrings and glutes while strengthening the posterior chain, which includes the muscles along the back of the body. These movements improve hip strength, posture, and lifting mechanics and help balance quad-dominant exercises like squats. Strong hamstrings and glutes are essential for knee stability, lower back health, and overall lower body performance. Lunges and split squat exercises add a single leg component to lower body training. These exercises improve balance, coordination, and muscle symmetry between the left and right sides of the body. Lunges also place a strong emphasis on the glutes and quads while challenging stability and control, making them very effective for building strength and athletic ability. Single-leg training helps reduce muscle imbalances and supports better movement quality over time. Leg curl exercises focus specifically on the hamstrings. Strengthening the hamstrings helps protect the knees and improves performance in running, jumping, and lifting movements. Hamstring isolation exercises are especially important for people who spend a lot of time sitting, as the hamstrings can become weak or inactive over time. Calf training is often overlooked, but it is an important part of a complete lower body workout. The calves support ankle movement and stability and play a role in walking, running, and jumping. Strong calves also help absorb impact and improve lower leg endurance. Calf raises help strengthen these muscles and improve lower leg development. Training calves with control and a full range of motion leads to better results over time. Rest time between sets is an important factor in lower body training. Lower body exercises often involve large muscle groups and require more energy and recovery. Longer rest periods may be needed to maintain good form and strength, especially during compound movements like squats and deadlifts. Rest times should be adjusted based on training goals, experience level, and overall fitness. Proper form should always be prioritized over lifting heavy weight. Using correct technique ensures the target muscles are working properly and reduces unnecessary stress on the joints. Progress in lower body training should be gradual and consistent. Adding weight, repetitions, or improving technique over time leads to long-term results and reduces the risk of injury. Recovery is a critical part of lower body training. Because leg workouts can be very demanding, allowing enough recovery time between sessions is important. Muscles grow and strengthen during rest, not during the workout itself. Proper sleep, hydration, and nutrition all support recovery and performance in the gym. Training the lower body 1 to 2 times per week is enough for most people to see progress when combined with good recovery habits. Consistency is the most important factor in building a strong lower body. Following a structured lower body workout program helps remove confusion and keeps training focused and purposeful. Instead of skipping leg day or training randomly, you can follow a clear plan and make steady progress over time. A strong lower body supports every other part of your fitness journey and helps build a balanced, capable, and resilient physique. Remember that results take time and patience is key. Stay consistent, focus on good form, and trust the process. This lower body workout program is designed to help you train your legs with confidence, structure, and purpose so you can build strength that lasts. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.